Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be explaining the performance of last week and this week, and I will also be sharing how to do the money management stuff because many people are asking like how you manage it to get this much profit every month, and there are a lot of other questions also. So please stick to the video and listen carefully. So I will be sharing a very important concept which I learned long back, and I think that is very basic things and very easy, but it is very important for everyone. Okay, so please stick to the video and see what, till the end. Okay, so yeah, so let's come to the reporting of last week. Let's see what is the performance. So last this month performance filter and yeah. So, in this month is very tough actually. I never seen this kind of month from the last 5 months, but so far we are in a very good profit. Still, we are planning to reach 10% return on 1 lakh capital. So, in the last week we have seen only one trade because there are three. One holiday is on Friday and 17th is expiry. I didn't trade on that, and 3 days we have. In that also we have some sideways market, and one day we got opportunity to enter into the market and we book profit. So as you see 14, 15 and 16. So you see 14, there is no opportunity, so it's a sideways market, so we didn't get any opportunity. And on 15th also we didn't get any opportunity. There is no breakout happen, and the 16th date we got a profit of 2000. Okay, so as of now, if you see out of in this overall month, I think I can show how many days we are in profit and loss. So we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are 5 days, I think. Yeah, 5 days we are in green, and one day we are in red. Okay, so still the winning ratio is pretty good. Okay, so let's see our statics, like how our statistics are there. Let me go to the strategy deployments and graph statistics. Yeah. So you see the graph is looking very good. I really liked it. So even though this is a tough month, so this is the winning. So you see the PNL so far is 9,700, which is approx 9.7%. And also, like if you even deduct brokerage and all those things, 1-2% you can deduct. That's fine. Slipages and all. So you see the graph is looking very good and we are in a very good profit so far, and we still have one more week. So because this month we have a lot of holidays, so that is one more challenge, and there is a lot of spikes, and there is a lot of gap ups and gap downs happened, which is very rare, as because of that Trump. Okay, so that traffic war is going on. So still we are able to manage this dangerous month. I don't think we can see the best example to test this algo. So this is a very good example to test our algo, right, live. So let's see what else we can discuss. Yeah, and as I mentioned, this is the live algo which I'm using currently. And now coming back to there are few questions people are asking, like only 1 lakh capital, like are we playing with 1 lakh capital only, and how we can achieve financial freedom, or is it like this return is I don't think that is that much good and all. But frankly speaking, this return is very good for me. I'm a little conservative trader and I'm happy with this return. And you see, this is not the capital which I have used 1 lakh completely. I have used around 23,000, 21,000, 18,000, right? So on that we are making this amount. Okay. So, but if you calculate the capital utilization and returns, that is huge. Okay. So I don't want to go on that part because that is not the good expectation or good risk reward things. So no one will follow like that. Okay. So you also never follow this method. Always be realistic and be a little bit more um, achievable targets. Okay. Don't put unachievable targets. So why I will be starting with 1 lakh and I'm planning to grow like this. So what is the plan? Like why I started with 1 lakh, not 50,000, not 10,000 or not 20,000. So the plan is, so monthly I was expecting 8% I want to achieve. Okay. And for example, if you do the same thing every month, I'm not saying like every month I will get 8%. Sometimes we get 14%, sometimes we get 8%, sometimes we get 5%. So on an average, I'm expecting 8% yearly. So which is comes to 100% return, right? So close to 100%. That is fine. So I started on 2024. Okay, for example. Then in 2025, we will be making 2 lakhs, right? That amount will become 2 lakhs, and we are going to process the same thing and it will become 4 lakhs. Okay. And again it will 4 lakhs will become 8 lakhs, so this will keep on going, right? So if you started these things like this, then it will become in 8 years you will reach the 1 cr. Okay. And the next thing is how I manage the lot size. Okay. So this lot size thing is very interesting. So what I do is generally I start my trade with 1 lot. Okay. So suppose I hit 3,000. Okay. Loss. Then in the next day, I will be playing with 2 lots. Okay. So what will happen? Either I will get a profit or loss. Okay. If I got loss, I will continue with 2 lots. Okay. If I get profit, I again switch back to 1 lot. Okay. So if you are very safe and conservative trader, you can go with 1 lot again and hit one more SL. Okay. Take one more SL. Okay. And now once you get 2 losses, go with 2 lots. And you may get profit of around 4 to 5,000. Let's consider 5,000. Okay. So now in the next day you may get profit or loss, I don't know, but if you do that this process, then what will happen? You are reducing 1 day, we are recovering 1 day loss, right? So which will be, suppose if our winning ratio is 50%, like in a month we have around 20 to 21 trading sessions. In that, let's consider 20 days. Okay, in that 4 days we are not trading, so consider for 16 trading days. In 16 trading days we are suppose having a winning ratio of 50% also, then it becomes around 8 days winning, right? So and when you do this approach, right, we are recovering 1 or 2 days at least, right? So if you are covering 1 or 2 days, means you are winning 10 days, right? So 10 days you are winning and 6 days you are losing, right? So in that way your winning ratio is increased. Okay. So if you see the same thing, let's consider last month, or let's consider all this year, because I started with real money recently. So let me show you. So for example, if we consider last month, okay, let's say 100. Okay. So you see how I recovered the things. So in the March month, you see how many profits we got: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. We got 10 profits. Okay. Yeah. So total we got 10 profits. 10 days we are in profit. So how many losses? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 5 days we are in loss and remaining days we are in profit. Okay. So you see, the winning ratio is out of 15 days, 5 days only we are in loss, which is around close to 60 to 70% of return is winning ratio, right? So which is pretty good, right? So how I achieve that? I'm using the same thing. Okay, so never increase your lot size more than two. Some people may think like, okay, then if I got lost two times, then two lots, then four lots, then six lots. No, no, no. Please don't do that. Just go max two lots, and we are trying to achieve. There will be a bad month also, okay, and there will be a good month also. That good month will recover the bad month, so don't worry on that, okay. So please stick with the plan and don't change, because I have around more than 10 years of experience in this market, and I burn myself like anything. So I know the pain and all the things, and these calculations and these learnings I came from lot of experience. So just stick with that, and just trading is very boring thing, okay, so don't make it excitement in your life with the trading. Let be not be neutral always, don't be too excited or don't be too depressed, okay. So stick with the plan, no change, and just continue with whatever you have, and you believe in your system, and just come keep on doing the same thing. Okay. So algo is not for like you hit and leave. Okay. So you just need to make sure you do the same thing, and systematically you do the same thing every day. Then only you will see the profits. Okay. So this is what I want to tell. So please follow the money management, which is very very important for any trader or any field. It is very important. So money management, risk management is very important, so please keep on continuing that. And if you feel like this strategy is good, and you are making some profits, please feel free to share with your friends, and also please subscribe to this channel so that you will get the updates. So I will be making one more video next week where I will be sharing um, the current last week of this month, and which I will be discussing the profits and loss, everything. So every week I will be making the video of the performance of Algo. So I will try to be as transparent as possible, so that you will be also seeing the performance live. Okay. So yeah, that's it from this video, and have a nice day.